Hello everyone, I'm Eric from Construction Machinery, and today I'm going to introduce you this one Caterpillar 305.5. And then now let's follow the camera to see some details. This compact excavator is highly versatile. It can be equipped with a variety of attachments such as different size bookies, anchors, and breakers. And look at this Caterpillar 305.5 and that it is equipped with hydraulic connect and also the sound. This attachment expands its range of application, making it suitable for landscaping, utility work, and small-scale construction projects. The operator's cam is designed with the operator foot as the top priority. It provides a comfortable seating position and enough space for the operator to work without feeling trapped. Now let's see the engine. The engine of the Caterpillar 305.5 is powerful enough to deliver excellent digging and lifting performance. It offers good horsepower and torque, enabling it to handle various materials such as oil and small rocks. At our track, it is equipped with rubber blocks, and it is suitable for moving the excavator on the road. Okay, that's all for today, and